Hello from Cecina. I'm Beth Murphy, Director of Development here at Cecina. I want to thank you for all your support over the years for our school and our students. We know two things about the Cecina community. One is you're very generous when it comes to providing need-based tuition assistance for our students. And two, you really like specific projects where you can see the results. Today, I'm going to ask you if you can support one or the other, or both of these. First of all, a generous donor from the class of 2009 has promised $5,000 if the Cecina community will raise another $5,000 toward tuition assistance. As you know, many of our families need tuition assistance to fill the gap between what they can afford and what tuition really is, even after the Indiana Choice Scholarship. So we need $900,000, more than $900,000 every year for tuition assistance. Second, we have concrete by the East Gym entrance that would like to replace. As you can see, we have these brand new fields, we have a brand new entrance, and would really like that East Gym entrance to look good too. So again, if you can help us, one of the projects, both, either, would really appreciate it. We're trying to raise $20,000 before June 30th. I thank you again for your support.